Hi, my name is Angie Ramirez. State, state for understand negotiations. Problems to negotiate biotechnical products. Problem relate to the protection of intellectual property to the unfair compensation the community for the such company make of their cloud and rows. Certain problems arise with various genetical modifiers to be resistant to herbicides and pests that are not protected by rings. Problems related to the evaluation to the technology due to the lack of a license since licenses the key elements again evaluate. Another type of scheduled found in instant wins refers the lack of knowledge and biological resource. Problem related to negotiation to the lack of clarity in the research and development process. Lack of patents by having of biotechnologic products. Find ways to take undertaking of technology. Definition and of step busing modelo selección. Co-promotion at co-marketing. Consiste of the collaboration of two companies to combine their efforts to promote and offer. Audience. Cost effectiveness, visibility, generating more value, create credibility, knowledge and experiences. Recommendations. 1. Select help from a level specialization in patent registration and carry out the proper documentation. 2. Review patent documents for possible solution and production problems and improving your technology innovation process. 3. Use the patent document search to find potential licensing or busing patterns for your product. Thank you.